Welcome. In this video, we will learn to create and import custom modules in Python. Also, you will find different techniques to import and use custom and built-in modules in Python. Modules refer to a file containing Python statement and definitions. A file containing Python code, for example python.py, is called module and its module name would be example. We use modules to break down large programs into small manageable and organized files. Furthermore, modules provide reusability of code. I have one directory which contains my files. Create one example.py which contains my function to use in another source. Open it. Here we have defined a function add inside a module named example. The function takes into numbers and returns their sum. Open my another Python file add.py. Here I am importing the example module which I have created. Declare one variable sum and call that add function here from example module with parameters. Lastly, print the sum of those two numbers. Let's move to the output now. Open the terminal. Run the command as python space add.py. As soon as I run it, my file will be converted to compilation file. You can see it displays the sum of the two numbers as 15, module as x. Now run it. You can see it fixed an error because it doesn't understand the module. Now let's call my x value instead of example. You can see it displays the output correctly. By use of this, we can reduce the length of the code. That's it in this video on Python modules. Thank you for watching this video.